Hello everybody, this is me, Al Kwan. And I'm going to talk about a multinational restaurant that is still here today, and that is Burger King. Burger King is an American multinational chain of hamburger fast food restaurants, headquartered in Miami-Dade County, Florida. The company was founded in 1953 as an Insta Burger King, a Jacksonville, Florida-based restaurant chain. After Insta Burger King ran into financial difficulties, its two Miami-based franchises, David Edgerton and James McLemore, purchased the company in 1959. Over the next half-century, the company changed hands 4 times, and its third set of owners, a partnership between TPG Capital, Bain Capital, and Goldman Sachs Capital Partners, took it public in 2002. In late 2010, 3G Capital of Brazil acquired a majority stake in the company in a deal valued in the United States $3.26 billion. The new owners promptly initiated a restructuring of the company to reverse its fortunes. Tim Hortons, under the auspices of a new Canadian-based parent company named Restaurant Brands International. Burger King's menu has expanded from a basic offering of burgers, French fries, sodas, and milkshakes to a larger and more diverse set of products. In 1957, the Whopper became the first major addition to the menu, and it has since become Burger King's signature product. Conversely, Burger King has introduced many products that have failed to catch hold in the market. Some of these failures in the United States have seen success in foreign markets, where Burger King has also tailored its menu for regional taste. From 2002 to 2010, Burger King aggressively targeted the 18 to 34 male demographic with larger products that often carried correspondingly large amounts of unhealthy fats and trans fats. This tactic would eventually damage the company's financial underpinnings and cast a negative pall on its earnings. The company began to move away from its previous male-oriented menu in 2011 and introduced new menu items, product reformulations, and packaging as a part of its current owner 3G Capital's restructuring plans of the company. As of December 31st, 2018, Burger King reported that it had 17,796 outlets in 100 countries. The manner in which the company licensed its franchises varies depending on the region, with some regional franchises known as master franchises responsible for selling franchise sub-licenses on the company's behalf. Burger King's relationship with its franchises has not always been harmonious. Occasional spats between the two have caused numerous issues, and in several instances, the relations between the company and its licenses have degenerated into precedent-setting court cases. Burger King's Australian franchise, Hungry Jack's, is the only franchise to operate under a different name due to a trademark dispute with a similarity named restaurant in Adelaide, South Australia, and a series of legal cases between the two. Burger King serves burgers, chicken sandwiches, fish sandwiches, breakfast, and more. This is what Burger King is all about. I hope you learned a lot about this, and I want you to type in the comments which is your favorite meal from Burger King. My favorite is the Whopper. Whopper tastes so good. If you haven't tried it, I want you to try it and tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think, because when I tried that burger, it was so good. I want you to try it too. This is me, Al Kwan, and I will see you next time. I hope this helps. I hope you understand what Burger King is. I hope you learned a lot about this stuff, and I will see you next time. Remember, keep learning and you will know a lot. And my goodness, once you have learned a lot, you will be able to know a lot. Trust me. I will see you next time, right here on Al Kwan the GS Guy. Hello everyone, this is me, Al Kwan, and if you like this video, I want you to like and subscribe.